Edit mode features a misunderstood and underutilized tool in layer effects. Layer effects allow you to add a glow, shadow, bevel, outline, and blur to your subject. Layer effects can be found on the bottom right-hand menu of the adjustment layers. In order to make use of these features, you need to first have made a mask. In this image, I have created a selection by using the Select Subject AI action. I have then masked this selection. As a result, the subject, being the hand and the ice cream, have been isolated from the background. Masking is beyond the scope of this tutorial, so please see the description below for a short series on the topic. I can, however, see that my subject has been isolated from the background because of the black section of the thumbnail right here. This indicates that the background has been replaced by a transparency, hence the checkerboard pattern in my image preview. Now that I have a masked subject, I can add a blank layer and fill it with a solid color. This will help me illustrate the effects of layer effect. I'll simply click Add Blank Layer and fill it with blue. To fill, I'll use the Paint bucket. I'll pull the blue layer beneath the ice cream layer. From here, we'll ensure that our ice cream layer is selected, and then I will add a layer effect using the icon at the bottom of the adjustment layers. The tool will pop up in its own window. An effect is turned on by clicking the box to the left of the effect name. For example, let's add a shadow. In addition to clicking on the box to turn the effect on, ensure that the shadow is selected. A selected item will have this light gray box over the name of the effect. From here, we can adjust the effect itself. An increased blur gradiates the effect. Distance moves the blur in the direction of its effect. The direction can be adjusted by moving the arrow around the circle. Opacity adjusts the strength of the effect. Shadow is but one layer effect. In addition to the shadow effect, let's also add an outline. Click the outline box. Now click the word outline to select the tool. If I click on the color box right here, I can adjust the color to a light blue. From here, what we can do is adjust the thickness of the outline and dramatically increase the blur to give the ice cream almost a commercial emphasis. If I click Close, the layer effect menu is closed. However, I can at any point open it again using the layer effects button that appears to the right of the layer. Layer effects, like masks and adjustment layers, are saved when you save your file as an editable ACDSee file. This ensures that you can make changes after closing the image with its respective adjustments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.